Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another interesting tech review. Today I am checking out the Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds, which comes in at a price of $449. After using the WT2 Plus for a couple of years, it's time to see if the W4 Pro can elevate global communication. Well, before we start the review, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
You can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me.
Timekettle W4 Pro is designed for efficient communication, featuring the Opus algorithm to speed up audio transitions and provide real-time translation. It supports 40 languages and 93 accents with 13 pairs of official languages for offline use. What's impressive is 95% translation accuracy, so we can rely on clear and fast communication whether we are in meetings or casual conversations. In one-on-one mode, the device allows both speakers to talk and listen at the same time without interrupting the flow of conversation. It also features a triple microphone array that reduces background noise, ensuring precise voice capture even in busy environments. Listen and Play mode is powered by AI semantic segmentation, enabling advanced sentence parsing, making it easier to absorb information during meetings. We can switch effortlessly between listening and speaking modes with just a single click. It also has a media translation mode where it translates online meetings, phone calls, and even subtitles for news or media. The dual tray design of the W4 Pro is truly a brilliant innovation. It goes beyond aesthetics and functionality, embodying the thoughtfulness and elegance that make these earbuds stand out. Sharing earbuds in business or social settings can often feel awkward, but with this design, the process is not only practical but also respectful and refined. The way each earbud is positioned with subtle color-coded indicators is a perfect example of how attention to small details can elevate the entire user experience. It's these kinds of considerate touches that make the W4 Pro feel like it was designed with real users in mind, making communication not just effective but also effortlessly graceful. Imagine we are in an important international meeting. Listen and Play mode allows us to hear our colleagues' speeches while the AI breaks down their sentences for us to understand in real time. If we need to share an idea, switching to speaking mode is done with one click, making the conversation feel natural and smooth. Also think about another scenario. Maybe you have business in other countries where people speak a different language and you don't understand that. So if those people make a phone call to you, what would you do? Just use this Timekettle W4 Pro because it comes with phone call translation service. It provides subtitles in real time so we can grasp the conversation without hassle. This isn't limited to work. If you enjoy foreign content like podcasts or news, media translation mode will translate the audio into subtitles on the go. So, whether we are working, traveling, or catching up on the latest news, W4 Pro adapts. The Timekettle application, available on iOS and Android, enhances control over W4 Pro earbuds. We can check battery life, adjust settings, switch between male and female voices, and enable offline translations for 13 language pairs. It also lets us review and export AI memo meeting summaries. The battery life of W4 Pro is another major plus. The earbuds themselves can last for 6 hours of continuous translation or 12 hours of music, and the charging case extends that to 20 hours of translation or 36 hours of music playback. So, with this Timekettle W4 Pro, we have plenty of power for long meetings or travel.
Stars up in the sky.
The open ear design of W4 Pro offers comfort during long sessions, making sure we don't feel usual discomfort of in-ear earbuds. This design is especially useful when we need to stay aware of our surroundings. The silver gray finish gives it a professional, sleek look, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection for phone calls, meetings, and media use. Built to last, the earbuds are lightweight and designed for easy wear, whether for short meetings or long trips. Okay, let me briefly mention all the advantages of this Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds. W4 Pro excels in its real-time translation capabilities with 95% accuracy supported by the Opus algorithm for quick audio processing. Its triple microphone array filters out background noise for clear communication even in noisy environments. A major advantage is the AI memo, which records and summarizes meetings. Post meeting, we can easily export our conversations and review key points at any time. Overall, W4 Pro's range of features makes it a versatile tool for global communication.
I know you'll follow me.
The voice prompt for language confirmation on the W4 Pro is a game changer. As soon as the earbud is shared, it immediately announces the language selected, ensuring there is no confusion. This feature is impressively intuitive and makes switching between languages seamless. It's a thoughtful touch that transforms the user experience, making it feel like the earbud truly understands the complexities of multilingual conversations. The landscape mode on the W4 Pro is an absolute standout. It's not just a gimmick, it's a well thought out feature that genuinely enhances long, meaningful conversations. By placing the phone on the table, both speakers can effortlessly follow bilingual subtitles, eliminating the awkwardness of holding a device for too long. This innovation takes the convenience and fluidity of communication to a whole new level. To sum it up, Timekettle W4 Pro is a reliable tool for cross language communication, offering real time translations with high accuracy, efficient meeting participation features, and practical media translation modes. If you are interested, check the link in the description box to learn more or to get one for yourself. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
So when